fully automatic plastic can blowing and turning machine. Plastic cans are automatically formed and oriented for the next process. This ensures smooth and continuous packaging flow. Peanut sauce piston filling machine for viscous products. Accurate filling volume with stable and smooth operation. Double head servo bottle capping machine. Servo control ensures precise torque and secure caps. Automatic round bottle labeling machine. High-speed labeling with accurate positioning and clean appearance. Water-cooled electromagnetic induction aluminum foil sealing machine. Strong and reliable sealing to protect product freshness. Automatic bottle collecting machine. Finished products are neatly arranged for packing and storage. Complete automatic plastic can packaging. Solution for sauce products.